Welcome back to Trading the Market, where we explore profitable trading strategies in the exciting world of football. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating approach called the Upside Down Taxi. You can blame Mark for the name. Well, Mark's love of Ted Lasso. I once called it the taxi and he pretended he didn't know what the f*** I was on about. But I digress. Before we get started, let's understand the parameters of this unique trading strategy. First and foremost, we'll be focusing on matches at half time, where the action is already underway. Now, to identify our trading opportunities, we'll be looking at the goal market, specifically the overs market that's 3 goals above the current scoreline at half time. It's essential to keep an eye on this specific market as it provides us with valuable insights and potential profit-making scenarios. In terms of odds, we'll be targeting a specific range. The odds for the overs market, 3 goals above the current score at half time, should fall between 2.5 and 4.5 in decimal format. This range ensures a balance between potential profitability and realistic market conditions. Now, here's where the trading magic happens. We'll be laying the overs market, which means we're betting against 3 or more goals being scored above the current scoreline. By laying the overs, we aim to profit from the market dynamics and anticipate a lower scoring half. It's important to note that this strategy has a time limit. Our trades will last a maximum of 10 minutes, allowing us to quickly react to market fluctuations and capitalise on potential price movements. With these parameters in place, we're equipped with a proven strategy to navigate the football trading landscape. So, get ready to join me as we analyse matches, identify profitable opportunities and execute trades using the Upside Down Taxi approach. If you're not already subbed, don't forget to subscribe to the Trading the Market channel, hit that notification bell and stay tuned for more insightful videos on football trading, sports betting and market analysis. So without further delay, let's get cracking. So first up, we have an Australian A-League match between Adelaide United versus Central Coast Mariners. It's currently half-time with a 2-1 lead in favour of Central Coast Mariners. We are 3 goal markets above the current scoreline of 2-1 on the over 5.5 market. The odds are sat nicely between a recommended odds range of 2.5 and 4.5 at 3.25 to lay the over 5.5 goals market. So let's try to get a lay of £100 matched on the overs market just before the second half kicks off, as we can ask for a lower odds range to give us a good start to the trade if someone takes our offer, which we'll find happens all the time just as the second half kicks off. The second half has just kicked off, and as you can see, my lay of £100 has been matched at 3.25 for a risk of £224.62. Remember, we only want to be in this trade for a maximum of 10 minutes. So the chances of 3 goals being scored in the first 10 minutes of the half are very small, so a risk of £224.62 for 10 minutes is a good ratio in my opinion. So let me speed this up and let's see what happens. Now we are approaching the trade time of 10 minutes and I will show you some examples of how you could potentially exit your trade. You could hit the cash out button and take the money, or you could back the current odds for your full lay amount and have a free bet, or you could start to leg out in increments as the odds increase over time. You could pick any one of these exit strategies, all have their own merits, but for building a strong bank, personally I'll take the cash out, and as you can see I have traded out for a profit of £28.55 after just 10 minutes. Bloody boom. On to the next one. For this trade I'm going to use trading software on the ladders to show the exact same trade whilst legging out in increments. This is a match from the German Bundesliga 2 between Holstein Kiel and Karlsruhe. The score is 1-0 to Kiel, so we will go 3 goals above the current score once again, to the over 3.5 goals market, and the odds to lay sit at decimal 3.4. So we will head over to the software on the same market and put a lay order of £100 at decimal 3.35 and see if we can get matched before the second half kicks off. The second half has kicked off and it's not looking likely we will be matched at 3.35, so I'll move up to decimal 3.4 and boom, we've been matched for a risk of £240. Throughout this trade you will see me jumping back and forth from SofaScore to keep an eye on the in-play attack and defence momentums, and the match starts just in case things get choppy and I need to get out of the trade earlier than planned. As you can see, an early goal has just been scored, which is not the end of the world, but luckily for me, it does eventually get called offside and keeps my position intact. I'll head back over to the ladder, and in this trade I will show the difference when legging out of my position in £10 increments. I'll put a few orders in further up the ladder waiting to be matched. With each back bet matched, you will see this reduces my risk every time, all the while still leaving me with a growing cash out option. The benefit of legging out is to reduce your liability during the course of the trade, and yes, this will reduce your cash out figure, but not by much, as you will see in the end, so it's worth keeping in mind when trading this strategy. Now again, we are approaching the max trade of 10 minutes, and with my final leg out just getting matched, I will then put a final order in just before the step change at decimal 5.0, asking for a profit of £22.76. And as you can see, my cash out order has been matched and the £22.76 is in the bag. Boom! In relation to legging out and not legging out between this trade and the previous trade, there is only a difference of just over £5 in profit for the same 10-minute period. For the sake of reducing the risk, as time decays, it's definitely worth legging out in my opinion. In upcoming videos I will show this strategy in more detail, and also show some losses so you can see what sort of figure you are looking at when a goal does hit you early on. Just for reference, on average an early goal will usually hand you a 30% loss of your liability as soon as the odds settle. I have also tested on average how long it takes for the odds to reach your original position after conceding a goal, and this will also be shown in those same videos. So all that's left to say is I hope you enjoyed watching the upside down taxi in action, and if you try this out for yourself, let me know in the comments how you get on. Once again, like, share and subscribe to the channel, it really does make a difference to TTM. I've been James, this is the Upside Down Taxi, and we are all trading the market. Until next time, happy trading.